On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we'll talk about nesting in SAS. We will explain SAS nesting step by step, including sample code to deepen your understanding. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. SAS is an extended stylesheet language for CSS that offers many features for efficient styling. Among these, nesting is a particularly useful feature for visually representing the hierarchical structure of CSS. In SAS, you can organize your code visually by writing CSS selectors in a hierarchical structure. For example, let's see how you can rewrite the following CSS code using nesting. Using SAS, you can write this code concisely with nesting as shown below. This code uses the nesting feature in SAS to describe the navigation menu styles concisely and hierarchically. By using nesting, the parent-child relationships become visually clear and readability improves. When you need to reference the parent selector within nested styles, use AND. This allows you to create selectors with specific states or modifiers. This code uses AND in SCSS to define the hover and active states for the parent button selector. When you compile the SAS file into CSS, it will look like this. In SAS, you can nest media queries as well. This allows you to implement responsive design while maintaining the relevance of your styles. This code nests a media query within the container class, enabling a responsive design that changes width based on screen size. When you compile the SAS file into CSS, it will look like this. Using too much nesting can make your code deeply layered and reduce maintainability. You should avoid deep nesting like the example below. This kind of code is too deeply nested, so it can be refactored as follows. Below is an example of navigation bar styling using SAS nesting. This code organizes and defines the styles for lists and links within the navigation bar, including hover effects, using SAS nesting. When you compile the SAS file into CSS, it will look like this. The nesting feature in SAS is a powerful tool for concisely describing the hierarchical structure of CSS and improving readability. However, it is important to avoid excessive nesting and to organize your code properly. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Your support keeps this channel motivated. Please subscribe to the channel.